Hi guys, today in the video we've got the Lego Audi RS e-tron. This is a Lego Technic control plus smart device required, but no, not included. Batteries not included. It's quite a heavy box, it is. It's quite a big box. So you've got full control, rally mode, smart stats and record. Then you've got it's more of the output does, how long it is, 37 centimeters long and 15 high. You've got a bit of information there. However, got a bit more. We've got 3 large motors, the one Bluetooth controlled smart hub. That's 2. Then here we've got 6 AA batteries we need. It says it there. So you can wipe it, but you can't put it in like a tub of water and then wash it. You can see it's quite heavy because the motor just went straight down when I put it like that. Get straight into it. And we've got a LED kit for it as well. So you can see what it looks like afterwards. So from up here, get a knife for it. Into the top of it. Something with the box. That's what it looks like inside. So this will be the instruction manual and the stickers with everything at the end. Tyres. Bit of bag 1. Leave all the bags out. Bag 2 there. Number 1. Well, it's got loads of parts in there. 4 and 3 in there. And number 2. Small bits there. What size are these tyres? 8 1.5 by 29. Quite big tyres there. Bit more back 2. Then we've got all the motors. So that will be the Bluetooth hub. The large motors. Pretty sure they are called. Yeah, large motors. We'll quickly show you what a large motor looks like if you actually want. That's what it is, a large motor like that. Never lead there. That's 3 of them. And then the Bluetooth hub. Which I might have seen one. I've never seen one like this. Oh wow. So you've got A, B, C and D connections there. Then you put your 6 AA batteries in there. That'll Bluetooth fit to your phone, I assume. Something like that. Then we'll quickly show you the instructions, see what they're like. Stickers. Oh, there's a lot of stickers. Oh, you've got all them, and you've got them as well. There are your stickers. And a quick look at the instructions. So you need the Lego Technic Control Plus. Wow. Oh, there's one of the motors, so it goes in back, probably the back suspension I think this would be. Wow. Yes. And you got to do the suspension. Wow. Let's have a look how many pieces there is. Wow. That's one page. The other side. Any on these? No. Then you can scan the QR code and win a cool prize. I'll quickly show you the light kit. So the light kit, I got this on Amazon. So I've got an instruction book, some tweezers, remote control, very fancy, a motor for it. Then we've got some other cables there. Let's see how it will install then. I'll say to put. I think you probably have to go to the website and put the kit, and it gives you instructions. Can't wait to make this, it'll be quite fun. We'll see you at the end, after we built it all. Bye guys. We're back from building bag 1 and 2. So we've got the connections all put in. So this will be this is the front of it, because you've got your steering just there. You can't actually turn it. You can turn it a little bit because it's all controlled by the app. You've got the suspension that works, see? You can't really move it a tiny bit, but not much, because of the motor and that. And you've got one motor at the back for the back suspension. It's quite heavy already, even with the from bag 1 and 2. We'll see you at the end of this build. Hi guys, we're back now from building 3 and 4. That's what it looks like. We've got it on turntable. This is the controls it looks like on the phone. There's a little degree on there, like the angle and that, what it's at. We haven't put the light on yet, so this is what. To a distance, we've had a little test run. We have. How much it's done already? Yeah, it's only had 1 minute. It's done no rally driving yet. So it's pretty cool. It's definitely worth the money it was. It took about 3 hours to build it as. We'll quickly put it on the floor in a minute. I like the line, and then it gives you like a death line. If you like that, like if you're like in hospital, like. So we'll quickly pause the video and then we'll go onto the floor and that. We'll take a video from that angle. Okay, we've got it on the floor. Get it charged up. I'm barely running at any speed. Because backwards it goes really quick, it does. Yeah, that's what I mean, it goes very quick. It goes too quick, you crash into objects. I'll do about 100 backwards just then. Let's see how quick it goes. About 170 kilometers per hour. Let's see what this mode does. It rally for rally, it says there. Pretty sick. Moving forward. Good job, you reached all 4 checkpoints before the engine runs out. This is weird, this is... I'm just driving around because I don't get how this works. It's all new to me, this is. There's not that much space where I'm filming. I can't go any further. I'm out of space. Yeah, I'm gonna stop that. Actually, in another video, we'll show you what the LED looks like afterwards. Don't forget, guys, to drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.